What's up, guys? I know a lot of you guys are panicking because the market has been dumping. We've spoken about this and we are heavy in puts. So let me explain to you guys what is happening. The market is dropping because the bond yields are rising. What that means is that quote unquote safer bets are now quote unquote more safe. They're able to put their money into bonds for a stable amount of return on a safe side. So, I mean, personally, I still think that stocks are the better option because you could easily get more than a 2% return on investing into stocks than bonds. But people with the big money, I guess, don't believe so, or maybe there's something I don't know about. Me, myself, I don't really trade bonds, so I'm gonna stick to my own lane in regards to that. But I know how the market looks, and we've spoken about this before. Right now, it's March 3rd. I'll try to get this video out by March 4th, which is tomorrow. Maybe we won't do too many edits, or maybe I'll try to push it out by tonight and have 0 edits. Just a market outlook for the next week because I am going to Mexico. So I'm not going to be here much. I do have my puts in place for hedge. And as you can see, the market is dumping after hours as well. We have spoken about this before. Let's look into the daily chart. So this is very important because a lot of people tend to trade off the 15-minute, the 5-minute, the 1-minute. They're stressed out. They don't know what they're doing. And they're just like, where is the market going? Because they're just constantly watching the candle go up, down, up, down, up, down. I strongly suggest that people don't trade off of 5-minute charts or 15-minute. I mean, obviously, dependent on your purpose, you will trade whatever necessary. So me as a swing trader, well, swing and day trader, I like to, even for a day trader, I like to look at the daily levels and the 4-hour levels because I'm not going to be here monitoring my positions all the time. You know, I quit my job so that I could have a freedom. I could have time to do what I love to do. So if I'm here just looking at freaking candles, I'm going to freak out. So I strongly suggest, especially if you guys aren't professional day traders or whatever, what's the point? You know, most of people, quote unquote trading as a hustle, they're not going to have time to be in front of the computer all the time. So look at the daily charts, look at the 4-hour charts. What is this telling me? I see that we've been in a this is not prior to COVID, but this huge dunk, and we've been in a rising wedge formation for quite some time now. So what is a rising wedge? It technically is a bearish formation as it tends to consolidate as it's going up. You do get a higher low and a higher high, but once it breaks down below the rising wedge, you will see movement downwards. So now, look, if I was to search it up, so what is a rising wedge? Signals a bearish reversal. So be very careful. And when you see this on a daily time frame, that means it holds a lot more value than when you're looking at it on a intraday level. So this is huge. I think that if we break down, which I told my group, watch, and also look, we took puts today just so that you guys know. Plus 25. I think we're actually a little higher, plus 26, plus 16. Just to show you guys, because I know there's a ton of gurus out there. Check this out. These are all my SPY put plays today. And I am down today, but I hedged my positions like humongously. I am up $1,700 today. Oh, wait, let me move this thingy. I am up 1,724, as you can see here on my SPY puts, which are currently up 33%. And there were a lot that I scaled in and out of already, and I'm currently still in some for the upcoming days, as you can see here. So I show this to you guys every day, not to show off, but so that you guys know that I am in the trade with you guys, because I know that a lot of people are actually not in these trades, and they tell you what to do. So I'm just trying to be transparent. If we do lose money, I am losing money with you guys. If we win money, we all win together. So like I said, collaboration over competition. I'm here to help you guys. Hopefully you guys, believe in me, and I hope we could all somehow get to financial freedom together. Slowly getting there, but the more the merrier, guys. And hopefully I take my Discord with me, because these people support me all the time. So if you haven't joined our Discord, join the Discord. What is there to lose? There's a bunch of information, as you can see. People are posting and talking throughout the day. Another thing you might want to check out is callsorputs.com. Why? Let me show you why. We get something called golden sweep. So this is the platform itself. There's a bunch of data, which is, option sweep platforms have a bunch of data. This data is useless, completely useless if you don't know what you're doing with it. I am biased, but I think my platform is better at determining opening positions. So if you were to click the gold filter, which is the only thing I look at, and then you type in SPY, there's nothing. But there are a lot of SPY sweeps, but not under the gold filter. Now if you type QQQ, these are the 2 QQQ orders that are bearish that came in today. So we have that. Now we also have this. If any of you guys trade and you guys are into ARK, these are all the ARK put sweeps that came in today. So this is telling me that the market is coming down. ARK F, that is the ARK F ETF, and we also got a put for that. So that's bearish as well. So this is why I say, trade with the right tools. Let's see, TQQQQ. I think we had some calls here too. Yeah. So we have some calls here and some puts. Bearish. If you guys know, TQQQ is bullish. If you are in calls, that's bullish. But if you are in TQQQ puts, you are bearish. Now we could actually easily see what the deal was here. So if we look, let's see if maybe we could decipher this. 11 and 1121. 11 and 1121. So these people are actually losing money, but the puts are making money. Make sure that you guys are looking at everything with a bigger picture, and this goes with, obviously the platform. In trading, you want to make sure you're looking at the bigger picture. So a lot of people were telling me, hey, you see on the 1 hour chart, this is possibly a inverted head and shoulder, which is a bullish signal. It could be, and I don't doubt it. So I'm watching it. This 380.45 will be the complete of the head and shoulder, although it really just looks like a triple bottom, if anything. But if we could hold this 380.45 level, I think we'll see a huge move up. To reclaim the bullish territory and possibly break out to all-time highs. However, this is the 1 hour chart. So if we do hold this level, yes, we might have some bullish momentum upwards. However, if you look at the 4 hour chart, we are having a lower high, right? And we are also coming down with more volume today compared to yesterday. So, and then now if we change it to the daily chart, we just broke down below the rising wedge, which is pretty bearish. We did that last time. We had a huge move up, but our bands are consolidating, really tight. So look at that volume down compared to the other day. And then look, you have huge volume, these two huge bars right here that are down days. You have the up day, which had 3/4 of the volume. And then you had a down day and a rising volume down day. So this is very, very, very bearish. And our RSI is not even in the oversold levels yet. I'll be cautious here. Like I said before, I do think we could possibly hit this 376. Prior to that, I think it was 375. But I recently redid my charts just so that it's less congested. So this 376 area, very, very possible that we could touch it. And that's why I am in puts. So that is my daily well, not daily. I would say this is a weekly. market breakdown for you guys. Hopefully you guys find it useful. Like I said, if we can't hold this 380.45 level, which we are at right now after hours, be very cautious going into next week, because I do think that we could possibly hit 376 by Friday. If I release this today, hopefully you guys watch it. Obviously, unless some crazy thing happens, I don't see us going straight down. We might have some chop, as we have been doing lately, and then downward move. If we do hold this 380.45 level in the overnight session, then I could see us bouncing back up, hitting 385 and 388 if we do end up in bullish territory. We are within a zone where we're just chopping, as you can see here. So I will wait for more of a direction. As of right now, I am leaning bearish because we just broke down. Maybe a retest, so it comes down, maybe back up here to the 385 level, and then another move down. I'm not too sure. I would say just be careful. And if you do have a long-term portfolio, why not hedge for the weeks to come? I'm gonna be in Mexico. I'm gonna be chilling because I think we're gonna have some down days. I don't really want to look at my portfolio for my long-term investments, so I am in puts as a hedge, and I think we're gonna do quite all right over there. So good luck to you guys. Make sure you guys comment what stocks you want me to look at. Try to do 1 or 2 more videos prior to me leaving to Mexico, but it might be a little hard. I'm sorry for leaving you guys, but I feel like I haven't been on a trip for a while, and I'm sure a ton of people haven't been. See, I got a nice haircut today from Mexico, for the pictures, and I hopefully have some fun. We've been locked down way too long. I mean, everyone has to go on a trip. Hopefully you guys are enjoying life, but the city got to open the hell up already, man. This is a little too crazy. And it's funny how everything is going back to normal now that Biden is in office. They had the highest death rate, but it seems like it's okay to open up now. Besides the fact that we have the vaccine, but people can still carry it, and also not everyone has the vaccine yet. So a little weird to me, but whatever. Have a good night, y'all. Bye-bye.